The NUP party has accused the NRM government of retaining its supporters through security agencies, with some never being presented in court. The party's Secretary General David Lewis began by explaining the first priority in their manifesto, which is restoring constitutional governance and the rule of law. This includes reinstating presidential term limits and repealing the UPDF law, among other reforms.
You know the problem. Now, what is NUP promising? Number one, to restore term limits in our constitution. NUP will not only restore term limits, but it will entrench them. And any president who will attempt to remove term limits will be charged with treason. It will be a treasonable offense to try to remove the mandatory to the Supreme Court decision. NUP is going to remove that UPDF amendment which took civilians back to military courts.
Rubongoya stated that if Kyagulanyi Ssentamu is elected, Parliament will be responsible for appointing the Electoral Commission, the Chief Justice, and other key positions in the country.
The President will not appoint the Electoral Commission. The powers to appoint the Electoral Commission will be taken out from the President. First of all, we are going to bring about separation of powers. Parliament will be independent, the judiciary will be independent, and therefore there will be organs. There will be a committee, a separate committee dealing with this, and the final approval coming from Parliament.
The party spokesperson and former leader of the opposition in Parliament, Joel Sonyonyi, spoke on the issue of corruption as one of the challenges they intend to address if given the opportunity. He said this includes creating jobs for citizens instead of awarding contracts to foreigners for road construction, hospital building, and other projects.
Is ending corruption and wasteful government expenditure. One of the biggest quandaries we have in our country. Let me paint a picture for you quickly.
Ssenyonyi said NUP will take part in ending the problem of corruption and reducing taxes on essential goods used by citizens.
We intend to eliminate taxes on essential items like menstrual products, scholastic materials, and school data bundle.
The party president and presidential flag bearer for the 2026 elections, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, thanked his colleagues who managed to paint a picture for Ugandans of the country they promised to deliver.
I want to appreciate the policy team that has been able to clearly paint a picture for us. Very eloquent young men and women, very passionate young men and women, very imaginative young men and women. At least we are able to see the Uganda we want, the Uganda we're aspiring for, and indeed the Uganda that we must achieve.
He also clarified that the ideas in the party's manifesto are not his personal views, but represent the voices of citizens from various regions.
My ideas as an individual. No, these are ideas of numerous young men and women. These are ideas of the young generation, young Ugandans from across Uganda. Look at them. From the north to the west, to the east, to the south and central.
This comes at a time when Kyagulanyi has already begun mobilizing support from Ugandans in order to win the upcoming election and fulfill these promises.